Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I'm just bringing this video and I'm based on the students request, and this is basically just an Oxford College of Engineering in Bangalore and the placement review. So branch wise, and the student wise and the companies wise, which are the companies where students are placed. So this is just to this is more there is a full review of this college on my channel, but this is just a placement review, which companies I've visited, just to let so let's start with the data which I have got is for 2018-19, and I'm just presenting. So this is the first page of that, and you can see and around 18 students here. So mostly ECE and ATRA Infotech, which is CSE students 5 to 6, then ECE students around 4, and triple E 1 student, 1 in ISC, and similarly there's another company called Coens India Pharmaceuticals, and where CSC and IC. So this is the second sheet, where is a 19 to 34. You can see the Deloitte Shared Services, which is very good company, and they allowed CSC and ISC 3 students. Doppio Group, again CSC and ISC, and EY, very good company, 3 students, CSC ISC both. Eurofins only ISC, and Everest IMS both CSC and ISC. So most of the companies allow CSC and ISC, and you can see the students from both the streams getting the jobs in the same company. So that's all, and after that, in this 35 to 46, it's mostly one company which is called Fame Technology. So this is a mid-sized company only, and all the students from CSC, ISC, and even ECE are there. So you can see the placements of, and then there's a health analyst, which is CSC. So CSC and ISC placements are very good in this college, and you can definitely see that, and similarly, ECE students are also there in between. So it just give you idea, and you can count if this branch is good for you not. ISC, again, health analyst, the same from the previous sheet in a 47-48. And then you see good number of students in IBM. So Oxford, you see around 8 to 10 students, 15 students you can see from IBM. And IBM is allowing the students from biotechnology also. So you see BT, but most of them are CSC, ECE, ISC. So at least, CSC, ISC, and ECE are good in college. And this is the next sheet. You can see all the students, around 25 of them from Infosys, right? And CSC is there, Infosys is allowing civil also. ECE, good numbers are there, and triple E 3 numbers are there, and ISC 6 numbers are there. So you see CSC, ISC, and ECE definitely is good, and it's IBM, Infosys, every company is allowing them, and they're getting placed in these companies, and the salary may be around 4.5 like, but and Infosys continues in this sheet also for more students. So total put together, Infosys may be around 35 plus students, and then in Snap 5 students, and everybody is there. EC is there, ISC is there, CSC is there, LTI is L&T Infotech, another 6 students. You can see CSC, ISC, everybody is there. So that's a good number of good companies are also coming in this campus, and MS Germany, sorry. So this is I think the international placement, and the entity data, very good company, right? Japanese company, and you see EC, CSC, and ISC students. So around another 15 students in entity data, which is very good. Orderful Labs, it's look like a medium size to small company, and 3 students from ISC, UST at the bottom. So total around 130 students. You have seen the list, and mostly in the good companies. PayPal is a very good company, multinational company, and you see the students from multiple branches: AU, BT is biotechnology, CSC, and also you see EC, right? So that means the coming students are going, and they are allowing students from every branch to sit and get the job. So that is how around 145 students I have covered, and this is also a very good company. So there are many good companies are covering. Okay, so this is the 145 to 165. Again, you see PayPal. So PayPal is one of the big recruiter here. You see around 25 students to already placed in PayPal, and in this sheet you see ECE, ISC. So it's not only CSC students who get the job, there are also ISC, there are also ECE. There's absolutely no problems. And then PayPal also took from mechanical engineering, ME, MT, and all, right? Then there's a pin click, 3 students from civil and 1 from MBA. Pin click continues civil MBA. So here PwC is a very good company, but 2 students got the job and both are from ISC. Q Spider is recruiter in many colleges, and here also you see 2 from biotechnology, 3 from CSC, 5 4 from CSC, and then 5 6 7 from Q Spider. So EC is also a good placement in this college, so you can definitely take up to EC here. Now coming to the next, Q Spider also is taking from some more from EC in this sheet from 180 to 184. Then 2 students from EEE, 1 more from ISC, and then some 10 students are getting placed in a company called Relapse. Relapse is just basically a pharmaceutical company. That's why you see BT, which is biotechnology. So biotechnology, at least is looking a decent placement, 30-40% placement, and it will be difficult to get the job to everybody in biotechnology, but yeah, it's looking some good placement here. Symbus Technology, I don't know about this company, but 2 students there, CSC. SLK Software is a decent company, EC 2 students. Status Cluster is a small company, 3 students. And then Swiggy, good, MCA 1 student. And Centel is actually a very big multinational company, and you see 7 students directly from CSC. So in this sheet, Centel and SLK are the good companies. Centel continues, so 7 there, another 8 9 here, right, 10 here. So if you see Centel, around 20 students they are taking, and they are allowing CSC, ISC, everybody. So that's good, big company. Another company, TCS, you see at least 8 students in the bottom, CSC, EC, ISC. So that is also very good. So you definitely you can take this one also, and looks very good. So now I have covered up to 232 students, right? And this is based on 2019. If I get about 2020-21, I will share that with you. And Think and Learn, again AU, which is aeronautical, I think CSC, ECE, ISC, everybody there. Virtuosa is a very good company, 2 students. VMware, superb company, 1 student only, but yeah. And Westline Shipping is also good master payer, and they're allowing ECE and ISC. So Westline Shipping is also a very good company, and they're going to a lot of campuses, and they're taking both ECE and ISC is a very good. Another Westline Shipping continues in this sheet, and they also allow mechanical engineer, and ME you can see 4 5 students. ISC you can state 4 students. So this is quite good. And further you see Wipro. So Wipro at least 12 13 students, I can say, around 15 students at the bottom, right? And 15 students at the bottom are Wipro, CSC, EC, ISC. So all the CSC, ISC, and EC you can definitely take in this college, and that's my thumbs up for this college. You can, depending on the vacancy availability now in COMET next round and KCET final round, right? You can second extended round, you can take this. So CSC, ISC, and EC are definitely good. BT and BT is also medium, and EE is less. So up to BT also you can take here. And that's what my review is. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe the channel if you're not done already. Thank you.